Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the show. This is Jenga Njeru. Now, today we have the Matchmaker show, and you understand the protocol here. Any other time, we have a man on board. The man is looking for a woman, and when we have a woman, the woman is looking for a man. Today, we are having a man, and I'll be telling you the kind of woman he is looking for. But before then, if you're watching us for the very first time, this is the Matchmaker show. We help men and women to get matches, and the moment they get the right ones, they meet their destinies. So you're not lost. If you're new to the show, subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Also, the contact of our guest will be on my Facebook page at Jenganjero. So you can follow Jenganjero on Facebook, and you'll be getting these updates in real time. Our guest on today's show is a Sri Lankan man, and he is currently working and living in South Africa. He is actually a medical doctor. I want you to listen so that you will understand what he is looking for, the kind of woman he wants, and things like that. At the age of 50, you could be asking yourself, why is he single? What kind of a woman is he looking for? And things like that. The moment you're able to understand these details, that is the moment you will either develop interest or lack of it. Our guest on today's show is a 50-year-old man, and after this, I'll be sharing his WhatsApp number, which also pairs as his phone number, on my Facebook page at Jenganjero. And as many as of those who are interested can be able to reach out to him. You all know that this is an international show. We do not close doors for international clients, and we give them an opportunity to date here because the goal of this show is marriage. The goal here is marriage. So our guest on today's show is a 50-year-old man who is single and searching. At the age of 50, you could be asking yourself, why is he single? He is single because he has never married. He has tried women, he has tried relationships like most of you, but he has never committed himself to marriage for the very reason of education, career. He says that he was focusing on himself. Most people can tell you that until you're able to focus on yourself, you cannot be able to focus on other people. Until you can be able to love yourself well, you will not be able to love other people. And so, it is very important to work on yourself because a single who has worked on him or herself will be able to play a very effective role even in marriage. So, our guest on today's show is a single man who is currently working as an expatriate in South Africa, but his origin is Asia, Sri Lanka. There are those countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, India, these countries that are in that part of Asia. And most people who are educated will also be looking for jobs in other parts of the world. If you are an expatriate, you are that person who has been hired because of their expertise, and you're working in a different country. And that is what he is doing. He is looking for a woman who is committed and serious, irrespective of religion, because you know that he is a Muslim, so he is not a Christian. And most people are comfortable dating people of the same religion. There's nothing wrong with that. If you can date a person that you share religion with, well and good, because you will not be starting from a standpoint of misunderstanding. You will be starting from at least somewhere that you understand one another. You will be starting from a place where you guys can agree. You know, there are a few things that you guys can agree. And he is a Muslim, but he doesn't have a problem with people from other religions. You could be a Hindu, you could be a Christian. That one will not be a problem. So long as this woman is 35 years and above, all the way to 50, a woman who is committed, a woman who understands submission, a woman who understands the role of a wife in marriage, and a woman who is ready to commit herself in marriage. This woman, I want you to understand this, must be willing to relocate to South Africa and join him. However, this woman must know that he does not have a problem with long, as written, he doesn't have a problem with long distance relationships. But you see, when you say that you do not have a problem with long distance relationship, one thing you should understand is that you can date somebody who is far as long as the person is willing to commit themselves and be with you. The problem with most long distance relationships is that if you get married and you're not able to, for instance, relocate, that marriage might not very well work, because marriage requires time, commitment, knowing one another, learning one another, pleasing one another, and that element of a relationship requires proximity. Yes, you could be far, but as soon as you guys have decided that this relationship will work, because this is what the show is all about, getting people who can actually bring you to marriage, getting people who can get you to marriage, to the level of marriage. That is the goal. Do you understand? Dating here is for marriage. Dating on Jenga Jero platforms is not for fun. It is for marriage. So if you are pursuing a relationship on this platform, it should be a relationship that does not waste your time. For instance, there was a time we had posted him, if you can remember. You can see his photos. There was a time we had posted him, and he says, he's the same guy. You can see his info here. He says that that time when he was posted, there were two women who conned him by sending him money. Other women were lying to him that they are virgins, but they actually had children. I don't know whether they were referring to secondary virginity, and I don't know whether there is even something like that. But he says that he wouldn't want to waste time. If you're not for marriage, don't waste time. You could be having children, that is not a problem, but he has stated that on his end, he does not have children. Okay? And he is not looking for women. He's saying that there are women who are asking for money and job immediately, and after 3 or 4 days of talking and you have stopped talking to other people, they force you to send money. Yeah? And so if you don't respond on time, they block you. And he was also cheated twice. He was cheated twice. You can see that info there. So he only wants somebody who is serious about genuine love, somebody who is committed, and somebody who is serious. You guys know that this is an international show, and we are giving people an opportunity, and we don't want to give them the wrong impression that if you come here, you will be billed, especially when you're looking for a partner. I'm wishing him well. I hope he gets a good match from our desk. To every other single person who is looking for a match, I wish you well. His number will be on my Facebook page at Jenga Njero, and I only have one Facebook page which is verified with a blue badge. You see that page that is verified with a blue badge with over 167 or 168,000 followers. The page that has this number, you can see on your screens. If you write as a message, you will be prompted on 0712 997 660. If you have inquiries, that is the number you will use. Until then, this is Jenga Njero. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, enable the notifications bell, and any other time we release a new video, YouTube will automatically notify you. Until then, this is Jenga Njero. See you in the next video. Bye.